Just a little disclaimer, if you hear any walking around, it's my little doggies. Here is Latte. Hi babies. Hi guys, so today's the day for a little haul. Okay, not very little, it's quite huge actually. I've gotten stuff from Asos and also Nastygal. It all started because I was trying to look for a pair of good wide leg pants for a petite person like me. Pants are like a staple for me and it. So hopefully today's haul will reveal something really good like. So let's go. Here is Asos. It's so huge and heavy. Tear it up. Whoa, look at this. Okay, I have a pair of gingham pants, another gingham pants, and then I got a pair of shoes too. Gingham dress. What's with me and gingham? Oh my god, yeah. This is gingham everything haul. What is it? We're just gonna go straight into the Asos ones first. Light green color. Wow, that's how it looks like with the tie waist, and the quality feels really good. I also got UK4 in this. I'm usually a UK6, okay? This is the bottom of the pants. But I always get a UK4 most of the time on Asos because they somehow fit me a lot better. Wow, this UK4. It's so tight. You can do this. Okay, fits perfect. Oh gosh, I have a bigger hip and a smaller waist, so sometimes if it fits to my waist just nice, it's hard to get it over my hips. You can see the waist looks like that. Over here. I did go a little bit crazy with this one. Huge. I don't even know why I would need a black dress. Wow, this is heavy material. This is how it looks like on the front. Cross back. Wow, this is just so much fabric. Look, okay, if I'm wearing it just nice and the length hits my toes just nice, then this is where my boots are supposed to be. Oh, you can probably wear it like that too. Okay, I've gotten the dress sorted out. Oh, it fits me perfect. Can't get the zip up. Okay, forget it. Whatever. It's how the back looks. Oh my god, I'm feeling so lovely in this dress. This is where it ends. And an open arm right here. So pretty. Oh my god guys, so I couldn't get my zip to go down and it's done. Hey! This particular one from 4th Rack List, like I mentioned, is in UK4. But the color is actually really pretty and quality feels good as well. Cutting feels good as well. Ooh, the waist is just nice. With the seam finishing and the pleated details right here. And this is how the back looks like. The pants first. Nice. This is how the pants look like. On to Nastygal. This is the gingham pants. Okay, so wow, I love the print on this one. I'm not sure if you can see, but this is how it looks like, yellow and blue. Really like the detail on this one where there's the side slit with the white leg. So here we have the pants in a UK4. Oh, it's a bit long. Let's see how it fits. Button here and an additional one here as well. This is not zip, so it's buttoned on the inside. A little too big for me, even though it's UK4. I'm just gonna use the pants trick by tying it at the back. How it would probably look like. Oops, can you see? Here. quality, this one feels much better than the pink one from Asos. I mean the quality wise. And then we're gonna take a look at this one. Oh no, it's too big for me. If it's like that, then it's just nice. But it's here. It looks like I'm just wearing balloon pants. I'm liking the color. But this is so huge for me. What am I gonna do? Okay, so it's supposed to look like that. Okay, let's just pretend that it fits me and the length stops here. So I'm like tiptoeing right now. Yep. I can imagine this being a really classic, beautiful piece to pair with a lot of different clothing. The top is very pretty actually. I was afraid it would look cheap. That's not too bad. You know, tie waist. And voila! Okay, I probably wouldn't wear it. I'm not sure. Would I wear it like that? Okay. Let's try it with this top tucked in. I like it. I like it. You pretty woman. Oh, I love this look. Next one. Now onto the dress before we do my last pair of shoes. This dress, oh, it feels very heavy. Oh gosh, it's too long for me. Oh my god, can you see this hole right here? It's like it comes down to my butt. Oh wow, what a sight. Okay, let's see if we can fix this. Oh, okay, so that's not like how huge it was supposed to be. Wow, okay, I really like this dress. It's very, how do I put it? Like you can feel that the quality is really good. Can you see this weird looking thing? I think the wind is just making it fly. I hope that's not gonna... Oh, okay, so I can just do this. Zip at the back here, which only goes up to here. Here's how puffy the sleeves are. It's originally this long, but because I have this ruching over here. One thing I've realized is that there are some ruchings that are really just so uncomfortable that it blocks your blood flow, but this one doesn't do that. Stops at around here. I have to actually loosen these parts before I can take the dress out, otherwise there's no other way. When I looked it up on the website, it looked like it wouldn't be very comfortable. It's a very high heel. I don't know why it just looks funny on camera. But yeah, I got this in a UK 3, which is my usual size. So unglam. As you can see, I'm not very stretchable. Okay, this is stretchable. I mean flexible. The shoes look like. I show my shoes like that. So that's all for the haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want more try-on hauls like this, do just give this video a like or drop a comment down below on which brand you like me to shop from. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!